In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Photos app. If you want to stop Google Photos from running normally on your device, I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way. Keep in mind that some Android phones use slightly different menu names depending on the brand, but the overall path is usually very similar. To get started, open the Settings app on your device. This is where you'll manage your phone's system options and installed applications. Once you're in Settings, look for a section called App Management. On some devices, this might also appear as apps, applications, or app lists, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different on your screen. After that, go into App Management and tap App List if that option appears on your device. This will show you all the apps installed on your phone, including system apps and preloaded Google apps. Scroll through the list until you find Google Photos, then tap on it to open the App Info page. Inside the Google Photos app settings, look for the Storage and Cache option and tap it. This section lets you manage temporary files and app data. Before disabling the app, it's a good idea to clear out its stored information so it isn't holding on to unnecessary files. Now tap Clear Cache and then Clear Storage. Clearing cache removes temporary files, while clearing storage removes the app's saved data on the device. This can help reset the app before it's disabled. Just be aware that this affects local app data on the phone, so the app will return to a fresh state. Once that's done, go back to the main Google Photos app info screen. From there, tap Force Stop. This immediately stops the app from running in the background. After that, tap Disable. Your device may show a confirmation message, and if it does, simply confirm to continue. After you disable Google Photos, the app will no longer function normally until it's enabled again. On some devices, disabling a pre-installed app may also remove updates and return it to the factory version. If you ever want to use it again later, you can come back to the same app settings page and re-enable it. And that's it. That's how to disable the Google Photos app on your Android device. If your phone uses different menu labels, just look for the closest match under Settings and Apps, and you should be able to follow the same process easily.